I'm pleased to see most of you have found your way to the forum. Your responses to the women's 10-hour work law were thoughtful, and more importantly, I'm very pleased to see that so many of you are following up and discussing one another's points of view. Great discussion. Let's keep it going. Now, as we move on to Chapter 2, we examine how the Constitution, Congress, and the courts have shaped the legal environment for business. Your IRAC assignment will be the case found on page 25, the 1964 landmark U.S. Supreme Court ruling regarding the Interstate Commerce Clause of the Constitution, and which incidentally played a major role in the court's 2014 ruling in King versus Burwell that upheld the legality requiring U.S. citizens to purchase health care insurance. A link is available in resources to additional background information in this 1964 case. This week's discussion topic on the forum delves into a contemporary issue regarding the definition of marriage. A case summary is available on pages 33 and 34 of the text. As with the IRAC assignment, I have located another resource that may offer additional insight into the law and its interpretation in this case. They're not required, but you may find them helpful, and they're there for you. Now, in this chapter, we take on the challenge of illustrating the constant balance of competing but legitimate rights of the individual vis-a-vis the larger society. The most impressive fact that surfaces in the study of the Constitution is the apparent paradox that it never changes, but it always changes. Think about that for a moment. This underscores the importance of the courts. Now, the key objective of this chapter is to introduce you to the role of the U.S. Constitution and its pivotal role in the ultimate distribution of powers between the federal government and the states and individuals as it relates to the control of business conduct all across the United States. So read the chapter. The PowerPoint presentation handout may assist you in organizing your notes as you read this important chapter and ponder the various cases that are spread throughout, because it covers several important aspects of the U.S. Constitution. So do all that, have a great week, and next week we'll be jumping on to Chapter 5, the Intentional Torts and Negligence chapter.